guys! Again, welcome to my YouTube channel, Math with Teens. Our topic for today is all about sides and angles of a right triangle. Okay, so we are going to find the missing parts of a right triangle. So the first one, we have solving a right triangle given the measure of the two parts, the length of the hypotenuse and the length of one leg. Suppose so we have triangle B, A, C, right angle at C. So we have the opposite of angle A is side A, and the opposite of angle B is side B is equal to 17. The opposite of angle C is side C and is equal to 23. First, we are going to find the length of a segment BC or the side A. So A is equal to the square root of 23 squared minus 17 squared. We are going to use the Pythagorean theorem to find the value of A. So 23 times 23 is equal to 529. Then 17 times 17 is 289. Then we need to subtract. So you got 240. So the square root of 240, we are going to use the calculator, the scientific calculator. We are allowed to use scientific calculator in our topic of finding the parts of a right triangle. So square root of 240 is equal to 15.49. So the measure of side A is 15.49. Okay, so we're going to get the three trigonometric ratio, the SOHCAHTOA. First, sine A. So we're going to look for the angle A. Sine A is A over 23. So this is A over 23. Then we're going to look for the cosine A. So cosine A is 17 over 23. So 17 over 23. And tangent A is equal to A over 17. So look for the three trigonometric ratio. So which of the three is complete data? So because the first one, sine A, you have only one given. Cosine A, we have two givens, and tangent A, we have only one given. So that we cannot use sine A because there's only one given. And also tangent A, only one given. So we're going to use the cosine A is equal to 17 over 23 to get the measure of angle A. So cosine A is equal to 17 over 23. Then, when we when we compute the 17 over 23, we get the 0.7391. After that, we're going to find the angle A. So we have r cosine 0.7391. So you're going to use your scientific calculator. You need to press the 17. Press 17 divided by 23. Yeah. Equals. Then you shift cosine. When you are going to press the shift cosine, you will get 42.34 degrees. So our angle A is 42.34 degrees. So this one. How about angle B? It simply subtract from 90. So 90 degrees minus 42.34 degrees is equal to 47.66. So that is the measure of angle B. Measure of angle A and the side A. So that's the missing parts of a right triangle in number 1. Okay, in our number 2, so we have solving a right triangle given the length of hypotenuse and the measure of one acute angle. So we have also a triangle BAC, right angle at C. So it is said we have the first we have the side A. side B, and side C is the hypotenuse, is equal to 27. And the angle A is 58 degrees. So it is said, given the length of the hypotenuse, okay, the hypotenuse is 27, and the measure of one acute angle. So the one acute angle is 58 degrees in the angle A. So first, we need to find the three trigonometric ratios. So we have sine 58. Sine 58, so sine A, so sine 58, we're going to use sine 58. Opposite is A over the hypotenuse, so A over 27. And also cosine A, cosine 58 is equal to B over 27. And the third trigonometric ratio is tangent 58 is equal to A over B because opposite over the adjacent. So the first one, we have two data, sine 58 and 27, and also cosine 58 and 27. So now, tangent 58 degrees is equal to A over B. We cannot use this because it's only one data, or it's only one given. So let's find out what is the measure of side A using sine 58 degrees is equal to A over 27. So you are going to cross product. So when we are going to cross product, so we have A. So A is equal to 27 sine 58 degrees. And then, you are going to press in the calculator. So you are going to press 27. Then sine 58 equals. So we have 22.8972. So you are going to round off. So we have 22.9 units. So that will be the measure of side A. Then the next part is we get cosine 58 degrees is equal to B over 27. You're going to cross product again. So we have B is equal to 27 cosine 58. You're going to press 27 cosine 58 equals. So you need to get B is equal to 14.31 units. So that will be the side B. So we have the side A, 22.9. Side B is 14.31. Then the next one is how about the angle B? So you're going to subtract from 90. So 90 degrees minus 58 degrees. So our angle B is 32 degrees. So this will be 32 degrees. Okay. So we are have three answers. So side A, side B, and the angle B. So that's are the missing parts of a right triangle in number 2. Okay, we're going now in number 3. So find the missing parts of a right triangle. Number 3, solving a right triangle given the length of one leg and the measure of one acute angle. So we have a triangle ABC. Then we have side A is 11 units. Side B is unknown. And side C is also unknown. So we have the one acute angle is 63 degrees. Again, given the length of one leg, so this is the one leg, and the measure of one acute angle. So 63 degrees is the angle A. Let us get the three trigonometric ratios. So we have sine 63. A, this is sine 63 is equal to 11 over C. So 11 over C. Cosine 63 is B over C. Okay, because adjacent over the hypotenuse. And the other one is tangent 63 is equal to 11 over B. So, which of these three we're going to use? So, we have two theta, only one theta, or only one given. And there's only others having two data here. So, now, we cannot use cosine 63 degrees is equal to B over C because it's only one given. Okay, so let us get sine 63 is equal to 11 over C. Sine 63 is equal to 11 over C, so you have to use cross product. So we have C sine 63 degrees is equal to 11. After that, C sine 63 over sine 63 is equal to 11 over sine 63. We're going to cancel the sine 63. Then after that, C is equal to press. So you need to press 11 divided by sine 63 equals, so you got is 12.35 units. So C is equal to 12.35 units. Is 12.35. Okay. After that, we're going to get the tangent 63 to find the side B. Tangent 63 is equal to 11 over B. So, you need to cross product again. So, we have B. Tangent 63 is equal to 11. After that, divided by into tangent 63. So, cancel the tangent 63. So, B is equal to, press again in your scientific calculator, 11 divided by tangent 63. So, it equals to 5.60. We're going to include the 0 at the end because 2 decimal places after 2 decimal places. So, B is 5.60 units. And how about the angle? Angle B. You're going to subtract 63 from 90. So, 90 degrees minus 63 is equal to 27 degrees. So, our angle B is 27 degrees. Okay, that is number 3. Okay, our fourth given, solving a right triangle given the length of the two legs. Okay, so we have the triangle ABC, right angle at C. So our side B is 14 units. Side A is 18 units. And side C is unknown. So we're going to find first the side C. So our side C, we're going to use the Pythagorean theorem. So we have C is equal to square root of 18 squared plus 14 squared. So we have 18 times 18 is 324 plus 14 times 14 is 196. So we are going to add. So 324 plus 196 is equal to 520. So use your calculator again, your scientific calculator. You're going to press square root of 520 equals. So we have 22.80. So our side C is 22.80. So let us get the three trigonometric ratios. So we have sine A. So we're going to get the sine A is equal to 18 over C. Then cosine A. So cosine A is equal to 14 over C. And tangent A is equal to 18 over 14. So now we're going to cross sine A, cosine A because it's only one data or it's only one given. We're going to use now is tangent A is equal to 18 over 14. So get your calculator again. So you need to press 18 divided by 14 equals, then after that, press shift, tangent, then equals. So you have now, angle A is 52.13 degrees. So this is your angle A. No? So angle A is 52.13 degrees. Then, for angle B, subtract from 90 degrees. So 90 minus 52.13 is 37.87 degrees. And that is the angle P. Okay guys, hope you have learned a lot. Thank you for watching and God bless.